Namaste all. This is Tejasvi from Cosmic Breath. Everything in this world starts from the sound, vibrations. As we all know, Om is the sound of universe. The root, the beginning of all mantras, the source of all mantras. We all are here today to know about one seed mantra or beej mantra for abundance, wealth, money flow in our life and all materialistic wealth. So this mantra is Shrim mantra. Shrim is a beej mantra or seed mantra for Goddess Lakshmi. We can pray Goddess Lakshmi by chanting Shrim mantra. We will learn how to chant Shrim mantra in today's video. If you want to attract more money, more success in your life, we will have to do this chanting 108 times, minimum 21 days. If we do it in the Brahma Muhurta, that will be too good. But you can do at any convenient time of yours if it is not possible at Brahma Muhurta. So all we need to do is to get abundance and wealth in our life. We have to increase the vibration of our body with this chanting of Shrim Beej mantra. Vibrations of our soul and universe, saying this to Goddess Lakshmi so we can get all the abundance and wealth. If we chant Brizri with Shrim in a combination of Shrim Brizri, it produces more quick and faster result. One thing I want to say here, whichever remedy I give, I first try and test it on myself and then only I give the remedy in my videos. So I have seen results many of the times for chanting Shrim mantra within 3 to 4 days only. All we need to do is sit in the comfortable position in Sukhasana or Padmasana and then chant this mantra 108 times daily for 21 days by keeping any wish in our mind. By sitting in Sukhasana or Padmasana, we will do Kubera Mudra for more better results. Kubera Mudra I'll show you how to do. All we have to do is fold these two fingers and join these three. And then we can sit in Sukhasana or Padmasana by doing this. Can you show Sukhasana?
Sure.
Please. So this way we can sit either in Sukhasana or either in Padmasana. Can you sit in Padmasana, please? Then focus on your inner vibrations of this mantra and your body and soul. Close your eyes slowly in order to connect to divine power within. And then we will chant this mantra. Om Shrim Brizri,
Shrim Brizri, Shrim Brizri, Shrim Brizri, Shrim Brizri, Shrim Brizri.
So this was for today's video. I will tell you all, I will request you all to try this remedy. It is not the remedy, it is the blessing of Goddess Lakshmi to us. For today, that will be all. We will see again with a new topic. Till then, stay connected to Cosmic Breath. Namaste. Shubham Bhavatu.